Adding signature to the Zendesk is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will be telling you how you guys can use it. So if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share. I'll be providing the Zendesk admin panel link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up with your official account, and once you are signed in with your official account, you just have to navigate to the admin panel. The link I have attached in the description. So once you're in it, make sure you go to the left-hand side, and you will see workspace option. In the workspace option, you just need to go to the agent interface. Just go ahead and click on that. And once you're in the agent interface, as you guys can see that there is a signature option. Simply go ahead and click on it, and you will be able to type in the signature that you want to. For example, enter your signature text for HTML for formatting, and set default, choose a signature to apply by default for all tickets, apply conditions, optionally set conditions based on group, brands, or ticket type, and then all you have to do after that is to save it. So this is how you guys can add signature to your Zendesk, and I hope you found this pretty helpful. Take care. Bye bye.